Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make Olivier. It is a Ukrainian potato salad. It is absolutely amazingly delicious and well loved. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. All right, we are back. Let's go over our ingredients, and I will have all the ingredients and specific measurements down in the description so you can make it in your kitchen too. Okay, well, you're going to need potatoes. It's potato salad. Now, I am making a very small amount, but I will have a standard amount in the description for you all to make. So I have one potato here. I have a couple of carrots, have some peas, diced ham. Now, if you don't eat pork or you don't like ham, you can substitute that out for chicken, even maybe beef or anything like that. Mayo and pickles. You'll need a little salt and pepper. Simple ingredients, amazingly delicious. Olivier Ukrainian potato salad. That's what we're making today. So let's get our Ukrainian potato salad made. And guys, I actually forgot to mention one main ingredient. Eggs. You're going to need some eggs. So we have to boil our eggs. We have to cut and dice our potato, cut and dice our carrots, and dice our pickles. So I'm going to go ahead and get this prepped and we'll be back. Okay, we are back. We have our our potatoes and carrots that have been boiled to fork tender and cooled a little bit. We have our boiled and chopped eggs. We have our chopped pickles. We have our peas, and we have our chopped ham. Okay, so starting off with our mayo first, we are going to add it. And again, the ingredients and measurements will be down in the description. Add that in. Go ahead and add in your ham, your pickles, and egg. We'll save our peas for last before we incorporate those. Our salt and pepper will be to taste, so we'll add that in the end as well. Just get everything well combined. This is so colorful, and if you could smell it, it's absolutely divine. I'm wasting my egg and my potato. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little salt and pepper. Again, the salt and pepper will be to your taste. Mix this in. Make sure you're incorporating everything from the bottom of your dish. This Ukrainian potato salad is amazing, guys. You have got to try it. It's also sometimes called Russian potato salad. So Russian potato salad, Ukrainian potato salad, take your pick. Okay, now we're going to go in with our peas. And get those fully incorporated too. Oh my goodness, I'm going to bring you guys in for a closer look. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you all got anything out of this video, please consider sharing it out so that other people can find the recipe and the channel and everything that I am doing too. And you can always hit the thanks button that's right below this video right there. Thanks button so that I can continue to provide amazing recipes so you guys can make it in your kitchen too. Okay, let me bring you guys in closer. Okay guys, we are all done. Doesn't this look amazing? And it smells so delicious. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much. If you are new to the channel, welcome once again. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up and share it out. Let everyone you know, friends and family, co-workers, what Pam is over here doing, cooking up easy, simple meals made from scratch so that you can make it in your kitchen too. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.